If you're looking for a more affordable alternative to Airpods that don't break the bank, the SoundCore Liberty Air review is coming up next on Tech Device News. Starting off with their design. These earbuds have an AirPod-like appearance, but when taking a closer look, you'll see one of my favorite features of these earbuds: swappable ear tips. These really help out with ears that don't fit properly with AirPods. Apple basically takes a one-size-fits-all approach. Either AirPods fit or they don't. The next thing you'd probably consider when buying these is the sound quality. Clear audio is one of its strong suits. Passive noise cancellation also helps to block out sound around you. Sound is well balanced without over distortion at higher listening volumes. From what I can say, nothing with the sound has bothered me. The only noticeable difference is when watching videos. The time that it takes when the person talks to when you hear it through the buds is a little bit off. I'm sure that's more of a connection issue with the earlier models, but it's something to take into consideration. One feature that I do find special are the touch-based controls. You can use the left and right hand controls to play and pause songs, answer phone calls, as well as summon your assistant to your phone. Battery life isn't the greatest at just 5 hours, but with the charging case, you're supposed to get up to 20 hours of playback time in total. When it comes time to top up on your charge, that's done through the older micro USB cable and not the newer USB Type-C cable. Hopefully that will be in the next generation of Liberty Airs. I also hope that a stronger construction makes it around on the next iteration. After dropping this on concrete, the side of the earbud is chipped. That's just cosmetic damage, but it would still be a nice improvement. Also, what you won't get here that the AirPods 2 have is wireless charging. My favorite feature of all, though, is the price. $79 for these earbuds is a great price for what you're getting. You can usually find these on sale too. The final verdict is that if you're in the market for fully wireless earbuds, and you don't care too much about extra features, I'd say to get these. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like to help this video get shared out to more people. If you want to subscribe, click that circle to do so. To see other videos, click on any of the two boxes on the left and right. I'll see you next time on Tech Device News.